Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. The feet were sweat. So by sweat of our bro, we shall eat bread. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so we're there going to put in the work. So part 6, 15 and pregnant. You know what I mean? So please do subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Leave a comment. Good comment, good energy. We are running it up, you know what I mean? So we're not talk about too much for the first part, yeah. You know what I mean? We just go and do it. So watch the movie. Tell me think about it. Let's go.
Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing. Jammiwood Studios. Love is real. That take me heart out of my chest and give to you, give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue, never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true, love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of, you got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. And I walk through the forest just to get to you. I even walk on a crocodile back. I even climb in the treetop just for you. Take a bullet, run with a grenade. I die for you. This is true love. You have me feeling some sort of way, girl. What you doing to me got my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free.
Car, Bobby. Backside man, boy, you kick me hard. Take time and kick your paw. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, I can't better. I'm bad. Oh, God. So when I answer my phone, man, so I'm calling my other friend. Right now, I'm hungry bad. I'm calling somebody else. Outside, pick me, man. If I keep my time licking your face. Sure, someday I'm hungry, I'm my jai gone all long and I'll come back. Bomba. Me call a girl and me all hungry, you know. Me don't see you hungry, so you keep me so. Oh God. Oh God. But my answer phone.
Yo, I can die, you know. Now I work to the man. Up on the beach at chill out. It's bleaky, but now a piece of sun push out. No man, the boy Bob owe me some money for yesterday, so me a premeditate. Or me go sit down and broke when I put her something for my money if I not get my money when I see him. So I get up in a one pensive, bad mood this morning. So right now, me I go try find me some people look for him now though. Because I have to go teach him a lesson. Because a lesson must be taught. And I salt me salt so people are around for me too much in this life, yeah. You think I get all things them free? Must be mad, yo. Anyway, yeah, on the beach at chill out. So I could pick me and come, I'm not over my on the beach, I'm alone, I see I come on the beach. Alright, but I'm there though, I'm there. Alright. I now walk to them, man. I'm bad day today.
I'm calm, friend. Girl. Oh, when you good? Them day pa yard, see a day, I go and wander. Oh, you doing your yard? Oh. When I come get a link, you know. I come get a link. Alright, I come from where now, alright. Yes, sir. Come up on you, because right now I'm hungry. But I phone call my godmother. Because I don't know why Bob not answer. I'm going to stick at them like... Go call my godmother now. I'm going to go on you, call her.
Little girl, come here there. Are you alone up on the beach?
Yeah.
Who's staying up on the beach?
But tell my grandma said I walk up on the beach and she never want to listen and then I walk up on the beach.
So you alone come on the beach?
Yes.
So you can't swim?
Yes.
So you mean to tell me say you come on the beach by yourself?
No.
Your grandmother knows you're at the beach?
No. Well, me come on the beach and she
And you look like you can't swim neither, you know. Me see you walk up and down on the beach like you last. Hello. Come go in the car out so. Okay, go give your grandmother because I don't want to lick in your face. See you? I don't laugh at me, picnic. So you might think you're a big woman. You're not a big woman yet, you know. You're not a big woman, you're a child. So I don't know how come you left out of the yard and now you're bad. So you come to your mother, or your grandmother. And if your grandmother can't take care of you, you need to give back to your mother, you know.
Something there. Somebody because I lost someone to me on the beach. I got in for Paris and I got it back to the rest of my everything from my grandma.
Alright, but then just a little.
Yeah, man, I just used to come a black man. Just to come off of the beach, you know? Yeah, man. What you say? Because if I'm a man, I'm short, you know? You know, see, Bobby? Yo, I have to work for a man, you know? What do you know?
Me have a lecture.
You're going to lick me? Your grandmother beat you?
Yes, every little me gonna lecture about.
So you can't stick to lick me? Lick with the stick and take on them big soon and lick you. So yeah. You want to lick out one and stick there? Yo, let me say, go on, you know what you do? You put your grandmother there. If you behave yourself, if you want mango off a tree, you want mango? Me said, do you want a mango?
I can reach it.
On my mango tree. Me say if you want a mango, but next time you do not go to beach by yourself. Right?
I'm gonna pick up mango and come back.
Do not go to beach by yourself. Your grandmother right for bust your ass. Mo pick a mango give you take. Mo pick one for your grandmother too. You give your grandmother one and you take one. Can you spell one? Spell one. Eh?
O-N-E.
Alright. Let me stick.
Why?
It's a good thing to see lick your tight. Come pick a mango for you. But you have to pick your stick on lick big people. When you do wrong. Hey, teacher, see mango here. You want to wash? Do not eat down. You need to wash. Bird piss funny or something.
Let me go and play.
When you go away.
What is taking so long? Give me the one there, the green one there.
Alright. So, you're going home.
Get your mom stick.
So get 2 type. You know if you get trouble though. I'm glad you learn to spell 1. If you learn to spell from 1 go straight to 100, be bright.
No, if you spell two.
You hear what I'm saying to you now?
See the
I hope this soak into your brain. You see if you don't learn, Jamaica go feel it. Because there's nothing here for Jamaicans, you know. So you need to learn, that means you can actually contribute something to Jamaica. Maybe you're too young to understand, but hope is so keen. The country's been taken over. So hope you learn. Go on up to your grandmother. Ah, there's Pitney.
Two gone already. I don't care if none for grandma. I last one I got it. I get none.
Yo, what on? Yeah, man, I'm up on the road, man. Yo, for a man, I'm there still. I don't feel like I want to work today, you know. You know what I mean? Up on the beach, I just come off because yesterday, boy, Bob, you know, rent me charter my car and run off with my money, you know. I hunt him and can't find him, you know. So, what want you do? If you find him today, just call me. Because I just say I don't bother work today, I just back on black, I wash off my car now, and if I get to work, I'm going to do it because if I make money today, you still have to give me my money. You understand? So I lose the day today because he run off the money yesterday. You understand what I'm trying to say? Yeah, I clean up my place now, man. Place today I clean up.
What's that?
Good morning.
Morning. Why you come go pray me down to the town, please and thanks.
What you want? You want one look job go down to town? Or you want a charter? Because I don't do normal.
I need a charter.
You need a charter. But if you never come for charter, you know, smile with me. Because I love money, right? 25,000 for the year.
Sorry, am I ever get a charter?
No, but you smile with too much, I don't like it.
Shoot this. Come on, you can't marry not
You, Vietnam man, are you so aggressive? There's a short people aggressive. You're just aggressive, so. Calm down, man. Come in, come in. You're not, you're gonna move. Take your time. You're gonna move. I say go on, a big boy. Turn it down. So you may say now. You just say want the charter?
Yeah.
25. Yeah, 25?
Yeah, give me a charter or not. Me have my
Yes,
money.
no.
Me ever owe you yet?
No, I say if you...
Me have my money.
Yes, this is true. I'm sorry, you're agree. I see you're agree. Come on.
Long time. Because people like you, see.
You just miserable stuff. Alright, we're up on the journey now. You like fast driving?
No.
You like slow?
Slow.
Alright.
matter where you get all along reach.
Hello?
Godmother.
Alright.
Me da call because me not eat from man and me hungry.
What you say? So where Bob there? What you mean you're hungry? So Bob not give you no money?
No, Bob not give me no money and I from yesterday me not eat.
You not eat?
No, at all, me not eat at
You not
all.
eat from morning?
No, yesterday.
Yesterday?
From yesterday me not eat.
You see how me they warn you all long? You not give no money? Oh God. Say one tell me say Bob really get you pregnant and not even dollar you not give you? Seriously? No man. So you're hungry and you eat from morning? Noon tall? You see it? You see if you when you listen to your mother and listen to me, you wouldn't get pregnant before time at the age of 15. Eh? Can you imagine? You make man breed you and then a business whether you hungry, pitney hungry, you dead or you pitney dead. Or you end up in a hospital. And you not listen to me. You make Bob go breed and no and give you no money. Me can't believe say Bob a grown and I do them kind of sickness.
Bob me a look time, me a look for too.
And about your love Bob, you're damn idiot. When you don't need to kill up yourself over Bob. Yes, you say you and Bob are idiot. I not tell no like Kayla, you're my goddaughter, but you at time for your gain sense, man. I don't understand this. What you mean you're hungry from morning and you not eat nothing? You have one big belly in front of you. You can't look no job, you know? And at your age, you cannot look no job. Then now go give you. You have to go show them ID. Because friend then look in your face and say a little picnic. What? Jesus. And from morning you eat from yesterday. Hey. So you managed last night in your sleep? Me can't sleep if me hungry. You're too good, you're strong.
I just lie for them.
So why you never call me from yesterday? Because when I carry some of my food come give you. You know me cook yesterday? Ackee and salt mackerel with roast breadfruit and the breadfruit did turn you now man. And me roasty nice. Oh God. Alright, guess what? Me dey on the road. Where you there?
But we there Whitehall.
Which part are there?
Whitehall.
You there Whitehall too? Alright, me over Whitehall me there too. Me did go check one of my friend them so. Me know well a Whitehall. Tell me which part you stand up. Me a go come and come find me. I buy some food or some cook shop and make you get something to eat there. Alright, no worry yourself man, me soon come.
Mr. Bobby see one, we don't know what to say. Wait, me look on. You want wild there?
Here ya. I want all over Whitehall, you know nonsense, I can't know a place. But me find out, because I know him all a Whitehall. Me I come buy one food for you by cook shop, any shop. Alright. I hope you learn from the mistake here. And when you have this opinion, you make no other man come breed you again. Fast. As soon as your baby get hard, go back and want school, me will help you.
You want food for you by cook shop for you?
Yes! And you need to stop cuss off your mother. I don't like how you disrespect your mother. Don't think you're not supposed to talk to their mother, so you're too out of order. You can't disrespect your mother like that, man. Out of order, Nisa. Come.
It's not up that pretty ball of life. Let back time. bag and all.
Come and go back.
Here, come by food. Not all the bag. Thank you. God bless you.
No, wait, hold on.
Let me chop on my belly now. Let me chop on my belly.
Alright, anyway, you see son? You
Very
see
hot.
too hot and you feel like you know eat nothing, you drop down in there. Go and go sit down. Now go buy food for you here.
Alright.
Now buy and come back. Now you come.
Let me back there and do that. Let's go to the boy.
300,000 give you.
Yeah.
To buy a car.
No, so make up for him now, give me more.
You go get more money.
Yeah.
And you take the money, man.
You're mad? Manish man.
Start to know you know.
Take a pay bills. Take a pay bills and buy food.
But think you saying you have money to put on to buy a car. You take a pay bills and something there.
buy food.
Kind of want not a life.
No, mom, no want not.
Ban your belly.
At the time, no. Listen,
At the time you're hungry.
I didn't know. At the time I work and I have somebody just stop work.
Oh.
You understand?
So your money come in handy.
Money take me little time. No, me they have money too, you know. Me they have money too.
You have money
come
too?
like, yeah.
Oh.
Money come like fire, you know how money go.
Oh. But you have my money now though. But see, I talk about this money and sweet talk, you know. Because last time, I keep one party and invite one artist. He might tell me what place where I go shell down. And he call my party be Hungry Belly people. You know, shell down my party. Me not rate him. So hope you not tell me a story about that and you know the money plan.
No do that. No do
You
that.
have my money
Don't
though.
do that. I always have my money.
Yeah.
No do that.
But you know, tell me say mine man with the 300,000.
I don't mind, man. I'm man always mind.
Can me hear about it, you know. Candy tell me say, you take away man.
Candy, I
Me I wonder if for somebody the 300,000 what your brother give you, that you will take a candy man.
I candy, hello, you never know, so I candy use the kind of man. I candy, the man give me candy money. That's why I candy not like me.
But why you get the 300,000 the man gone with you?
I like that. I'm chum.
I want me here,
I like candy. I walk shower in the spread room and just because the man left far. The man done with that, that's a short spread room.
You're good, so then.
Yeah, man, you know, the man give me the whole lot of money. So she give the boy the money. I say, boy, give me money. I saw him at the table, so I can't mind him. Why you think I take him?
Yeah, but what you do with the money
I
then?
broke man.
What you do with the money?
Your
brother gave the 300,000 to buy the car.
Yeah.
You know, buy the car, you say, near me out.
I name out somewhere, but I don't have some item. Plus, I get back money from the man. You know,
Oh, the man give money too?
Yeah. If you never get back the man, would have back some of the money?
Oh.
Like, you know, hear me tell you, so the only reason I take the man there because I can demand him.
So you say you want me to drop you at the place for you to go look at work?
Right. Drop me at the place.
And then after that, if you go drop you, you just go check about the work. And then if you carry go and you go look for your daughter.
Yeah.
Hold up, back man.
Yeah, and they can't go look for my daughter.
Right, see the place here. See the place here, you can't lose. Right in the Brothers of Solitude. Wanna come. How you go do? Painting over there?
Don't worry yourself, Rasta. What me I go do over there?
But check out here and come there. Because you go make history in Jamaica. You go make history.
Bob.
Hello. I'm there, where the phone?
You know, say, I'm there when I want to place it 2D on bar, me I do. And me didn't get no time to get me all the change. I wonder if I can come give me a check.
Which part the bar today?
One place a Whitehall.
Which one in Whitehall? I remember saying I don't really know Whitehall like that, you know.
Well, I don't even know if it's to say honestly because I'm not used to the place, but I can't get further information until I come check me.
Alright then, I'll do that.
Because I want to see, you know, because things are going on, I can't bother with, so I just want to know where up to where we do it, you know, yeah. So just go and give me a link.
Alright then, me forward.
Alright.
Yeah.
I wait for you, know.
What time I reach on there?
I'm there around there from I reach on about 11, 12 o'clock.
Alright then, I'll come in and come check you.
Alright, then make sure I'm wait for you.
Alright, look come on.
Alright.
Why, Rasta?
You get through?
Get through where? The man, I write time every time on my phone and tell the man say, the man, I be a Chinese language and speak over there, the man understand what me I say.
Oh yeah, tell you want money and you want to say.
busy.
You want somebody work, I must say?
Me need money. Me have to type on the phone and show you see them money work.
You want money?
Yeah,
Man, you think you're a prostitute, you know? If you are type and say you want money, the Chinese man must have look and say, what's a short prostitute, yeah? Mama, you will say type and say you want work.
Rasta, me type.
Oh, you type say you want money?
Me say work.
Yeah, that's right. No, you tell me say money a while ago.
Me say work, money.
You want work money?
Yeah.
But everything say the business. Everything say you want work.
The man can't understand me, a Chinese, the man speak.
If you show him signs, say you want work. You want...
Rasta come, I go look for that. Me can't manage.
Lord of God. You look for the queen to buy it too. Look here, come and walk to in a tight up Jesus, squeeze up yourself.
Rasta, you are mix up. You are mix up. You Rasta man.
This is rough.
I don't know where.
This is rough.
Where you come from?
No, Jack.
What is that taxi?
Because I laugh so.
Box.
No, man. Really, I
Where you
truly.
come from, eh?
Mr. Chung, no understand you. In things I say they want to tell him something.
Drive.
No.
Rasta go on. I look for that. I can't enjoy your story the way they call it.
I hope I say that to them now.
Somewhere out of White House.
Don't ask a white tall, yeah, go man. You don't know the place.
White tall, are you confused, man? Never mean there.
Go to rider.
Rasta, you mix up, you know? And I never know how to say your tan.
No, man. Me just have vibes, but you give me joke though. I ever find typing on your phone say you want money. How business you do?
He man the pan.
You get some
I want me to talk to him in the pan, you know? So me realize I don't understand.
when you come, so you just push your two breasts them we have in your hand and charge it for assault. You know, you not use the head. You not use the head.
You see, you're a
me know a real cooking liar, you know.
You see, you
Straight from Kingston, but I call him down for that case, yeah.
You know, see, woman set me up for the
So don't know.
God know, brother. You don't know what I'm saying?
Come on, listen. You see the thing is, we don't know Kayla and big mother and thing, isn't it? And
That have nothing to do with me. Me not gonna take the blame, I mean not play the game. So tell me to up one up for.
we're up for.
She a blame me say me and you there. So what you think?
Come on, make us. Me have about 3 women, isn't it? Me have about 2 baby mother and 1 not pregnant yet, isn't it? And Kayla done stress already. And you know if you feel like Kayla, but I just do something.
I understand when you're trying to say.
Hear me.
Because they blame me for me. So
There's a cool girl.
Sunny ladies. Hold on there. I'm sunny ladies. Where are you so?
Listen to me, come on, listen to me. You're not supposed to follow me.
Who you?
Follow me.
my friend man, I want.
Your friend man, you can't be with him.
Because man, you see me not know.
Look, I'm telling you something. You see this boy, yeah? I 2 baby mother I'm having now. Can breed one next girl and breed for me that I know. So me don't want me see now you and him up cause I'm personal. This boy, yeah, now. I walk a breed people girl fit me, you know.
But they can't breed me, man, not know. I'm my friend, man.
What you do you so with your friend, man? Hey, can I come in, boy? You see you? You see you? Miss.
Hello. I know me here there. I'm here daughter there.
So, oh.
You just know your place.
So me go make you go walk around and breed up every girl. And then you go tell me say, I know me here there, look a boy. Little boy, miss. So all your friend man are there so up close and personal with him. Me not understand.
You see me up close with him, you see me touch him, you see me touch me. What your problem?
What you mean? What you say? Where you have to answer? Should I answer me? Miss. What you do you so with him? You ask and
Me don't tell you already.
Listen up. Listen to me. Listen to me.
You see you? We know you want deadbeat from long time, you know. You see when you talk to Pitney and them no ear. Listen to me and listen to. Talk.
Where they have music, you know, see that also. Anyway, your daughter is someone there somewhere.
Where my daughter there?
I don't know where that.
Where's my daughter?
I don't know where your daughter
You
is.
see?
You understand?
You see you? You want little dirty boy, you know. Cause you're not, you see me I want your little girl, go find your mama yard and go on. Me not understand how you stand there about you talk to your friend man. This look good yourself? And him a 2 baby madam have already. Little girl. Find your yard and go home to your madam.
Do you not know me and the little boy there talk about, you know, you come here, so what your problem?
Mama, listen.
Why your
If
problem?
you want me there, why you follow?
Man, I'm
Hello, listen to me.
Miss, what you insist?
Hello,
Come here, tell us
hello.
man have to be money
Hi.
and one more.
Me and him not there.
Hello.
He not breed me. See man no.
Something like that.
It's alright.
Mama, go on.
You see, when I'm not here, you see, when I'm one man, I'm not here for the man too. Look for the man too. I'm here tell you, say, man, have to be money, still stop. It's alright. Me leave your face with a catch your belly. I done with you. You see, you? That's why I'm going to make sure tell me that. I tell her already, you know. Me don't know what she get things herself in with this. Hey, you see, how you? It's alright. Don't worry yourself. Because my daughter done with you. So the people as what I tell you before. Anyhow, you know, take care of it. Me and you. If I want to say that, I don't need him. No. You see, you. Why you come here and say you see you? You're going to end up with a belly to like the next two woman. Remember me the one, you.
No fear no man, I choose one. But I don't want to touch. She too old.
No big woman that you share with them.
No man, that's it too. May I give the girl them. You understand? So you know some woman want fear. She but anyways, no fear no man.
I'm there on the walk. This one call about.
Come drive, I'm ready. Me say, see, when you...
You're welcome.
Let me all.
I tell you something right now. You see your mother? You need to go to your mother. Talk to your mother.
Every time you come here, come to talk to my mother.
And me talk to? You forgot how we talk to? Remember say me your mother no one in here, you can't rank with me, you know?
You know really what to come for me.
No, listen to me. Kayla, you think that you're pregnant? Me afraid for box in your mouth. You think in your mouth baby there? I in your belly as long as me not lick in your belly for me go to prison. I will box in your mouth, slap you on your hand and you foot them because you breed. Let me tell you something. You see when they talk to your mother, have manners and respect. You see as me, as your godmother, put on your hand.
Put your hand.
No talk to me so. No talk
So
to
you really love me?
Don't point. Put on your hand. You can't talk to Bob so but you rank with me. I'm
Talk
your
about
god.
any own.
Yeah, I even if you talk to any not me or your mother, no rank with me.
But every time you come here, come about mommy this, mommy this.
So why you want constantly to disrespect your mother all the while? Look how she try her best with you.
Then when last I talked to that one, that's what I talked to like. The last time I talked to that one was how many months ago. Me remember how she looked after she looked.
But her grandchild in your belly, you can't do that. Why you do this? Why you do this to yourself and the child?
No, she remember her yard, you know, so I come out here just do not go back. Right now, Bob mother me leave, but Bob mother did it, Bob mother gone for a while. So me just step on the road at daytime and go in a night time.
This a life where you choose, you like it. You live uncomfortable life and hungry life, sufferation life, poverty life. You
No.
like it.
By the grace
You
of
like it?
God and you, I will not suffer. God send you in my life.
Don't
You're
call
an
God name in your
angel.
dirty mouth. Don't call God name in your mouth. You know no
The devil
respect.
then.
Me don't know why God not tell you right now say to stop disrespect your mother.
Me I tell you, auntie, me no can't tell her, me see my mother how me find time for disrespect. and
You
me
know
don't
your
see
mother
her.
live, you need to go to your mother yard and talk to her and apologize for all
Was
of the
you
dirty
there?
words.
Was you there the last time?
Was or which one?
Where there?
Yeah.
When I go over there.
Hey, me say Bob really turn you an idiot.
But you never did it when me go over there, she shame me when me to her yard with water
Yeah.
and dash water for me.
Take up your food. Come on, me tired. Me are going now. Come,
tired
hold it good hand, man. Let me hold your hand. Me don't want your job.
Me
Take,
I go over my
come,
friend yard now.
take time.
All my friend yard, I go stay.
Which friend?
All my friend them, you don't need to know, you don't know friend them.
Eh.
But she said she like when you stay, you love me. I'm a love you. But I told my mother shame me bad. Me come a your yard. My mother dash water for me for true. I can tell her to see that woman. But me I go up, but me marry you, you know. Thank you.
Come on, go on. You have fear.
I have pitney, and you talk to them and I listen. You know, said, dirty boy will breed my daughter up there with woman.
Alright.
And the girl go tell me about her friend, man. Hey, why you do this with your
So your
friend,
daughter
man?
friend then?
Me not take my daughter nowhere from now, I must see next one. Yeah, so me I show you how them little young girl, you know, here and then, and you see, you still your friend with this man, yeah. And the man breed your friend. Plus, you know the man I run around and I breed up other girl you turn up close and personal with them. I say, through them, I pick them, I want to go to prison. And me I tell the little girl, say the boy have two baby mother. The girl tell them say me about our friend, man.
Well, me up on the news and say man shot, so like one
Try for
man.
your next one, so you better go on now, because you just upset
No,
me,
me
you know.
say me here.
them little girl here, man. Me talk to the little girl, you know. Me talk to her. I can't believe it. She make this a little worthless boy a breed her.
Alright, so so what you say I go now? Cause me know you see,
daughter me go look for now.
you check your data now.
Yeah.
Oh, because the meter run, you know. The meter run. You see how long you go, so go check. I wonder how you go check.
Driver, look at them.
Oh, no,
just to tell you, and then you can
Yeah.
about meter run.
No, the meter run. For you charter me. For you charter me, you know where you go.
Me have my money. Come on.
You have your money.
Check your data, yeah.
It's a water run.
Yes.
I don't care about that.
Yes, you're a
Listen,
man.
Wagwan, big up yourself. God bless you.
Rasta, come hurry up, man. Sure. Can't bother you now.
My friend, they want to just one get some shit. Did I supervise? I did it. It's not for you to turn.
The way you love money, you want to walk and just get some people.
Yeah,
ain't
man.
nobody want you.
Remember, so I saw you going, you don't pay me yet, you know. You realize you don't pay me yet.
Yeah, but now you do.
Yeah. So when I collect the money for you, I go pay them. But the supervisor, I don't like she. She go and like she and the boss there. So she run the business if she don't want no trusting.
Why Rasta you like people business though? I'm not lying. You're bad. I see, as long as I see me, don't call me name with that woman. Like, I'm not woman and a friend. I'm done with that. You see me?
You're not the best friend though.
I'm done with that. You know, but I call her name to me, man. I'm done with that. Come I can't do the drama, you know.
So what you think about Jamaica though, based upon the production? How you think I go on for you?
Not acting now going.
I hear say everybody there a solve a case because he's saying his son now go run if Jamaica now do better support system for the athlete them, he now go run.
But me not wrong him, you wrong him?
Me not wrong him, so no, me don't know the people them are going like he said nothing wrong. There is nobody in Jamaica that work in government that don't want them money. When them say they increase the pay by 300%, then say we increase the pay 300% because once we get the 300% raise, we are going to work more better. So why you don't want the man who run for having money?
But what are
Makes no sense.
300% for them.
Yeah, for themselves. Yeah.
And what do how much percent nurse them they want again? 20 or 10?
I don't know what me not follow up in news
And
much,
them could give them it, but them in a parliament I take 300%.
That's what
You
they
see why the country can better?
anyway, in that day my time here, I run taxi on the road, so my virgin call me and tell me say me have to be careful.
Why?
Yeah. Oh, puss and dog and everything have ears, you know, and then come for me and look at car now. Them pull me over, see the same thing, yeah, and no, police. No, I'm frightened a while ago. You see, them have bug, you know. When I let them bug the car and them clowning. Oh, so me have to check out.
Bug you and clown.
No, because maybe me have an opinion, but they don't like. Everybody like you say anything else. Them like yes man in the country. If you don't say yes, and you don't say yes, them is against you. Then no one you have no opinion. Alright, mama.
Alright, that's why me never vote for them in party.
Alright, but this time here, you need to vote.
For what? For who?
You need to vote.
For who, huh? Wait,
I want to tell you something. Some of the time, who you think is an enemy is your best friend. And your best friend could be your worst enemy.
No, then not give me nothing. So
no, but you want know the country needs to get better. But me not tell you what to do. But we waste some time first.
But what I'm asking, the only rights for them hours that talk about are voting. You have a right to vote. You don't have any other rights?
No, other right not there.
Oh.
So once one in and comfortable, you take him out and put in one next one. And when the next time come and do the same thing again, nobody must be comfortable and happy and jolly.
It's not gonna happen by me coming out. What? Come and give me a money before. If the orange come and give me a money before. That's what I do.
Well, me too expensive. Me not sell out.
What do you mean you not sell out? Now you not sell out the money.
How much money then can give for your vote now, man? Can me know hear about it?
Me don't like them give me 1 million.
Hello. Man, me tap your car and plate you out, you know. Yeah, man, you drink mad puss piece. I want if I tear it, mad woman, me carry on. Me not come at people on road, you know. You know ramping, man.
Yeah, alright.
Who they gonna get $1 million for? Eh?
Alright.
You look like you're rich. Only if you're rich, you don't get $1 million. You're mad, somebody.
So me not vote.
If you're rich, they give you money. You're poor, where don't give money for? They want you rich.
Me not do the poor something there now. I would have $1 to me name. I'm rich in
Hello.
Christ.
If I say that one more time, me let you out of my car.
Come on, come on.
Come, give me money and take out yourself.
Come on.
Give money and take out yourself, man. Come in, like your argument. You get 300,000. Ah, yeah, so you're rich. Oh, you're rich.
I'm rich, man, in the name of Jesus. I'm rich. I'm getting money now. Coming now. You pass up your place with me now. Oh.
You take your time. I go left it down at the hill foot here. And you walk your journey. Come in every time. I have things to go deal with.
After I beg me, I beg you. You know, say half of the money, me make sure put back half of the money in my bag.
Hello, just pay me and ramp with me. Because I can't show down and say something like you. I'm not afraid to carry down because I make an arrangement.
Bring me down there and say, go get that. You cut the journey off, me cut the money off.
I carry the full journey. You say you want to tap one shop, I tap you one shop, you jump out.
Oh,
you pay me my money.
Speak my language now.
I don't run
truck now.
Because I notice when you come in here, wink me off like the things they want to buy. You see me and Mr. Chin, yeah, shoot up my breast and I say, you want money?
Yes, the money I'm out hard. You see me, I take up, hey, look at that. Me don't want disrespect you, no, sir. Alright.
Me not know disrespecting tree or shame tree.
Oh,
the whole of them dead.
Oh, yes. The money pricey.
Burn it down. You know the Gideon, watch you know.
Never.
You them rate me, no, come rate the youth them.
I said never again.
Alright, see you stop here.
Yeah, man.
Take your stop.
All this.
Oh, see why you there talk? You live in a one greenhouse. Your backside, you can't chick eye.
You don't get
You make your choice already.
Yeah.
Boy.
You make my choice already, of course. Jesus Christ.
Yo, you don't behave on yourself because can't go bust on your ass.
You wanna ride? Okay, Bob. Okay. You got 10 man. Sabla sit here that's heavy. Bob.
Hello.
Why you good?
Yeah, mama, I'm good. You depend.
Me dey upon my 2 foot, them a struggle to walk.
How this? How this one like a killer, so?
So Papa did delete my backside number.
Oh, the number there is here, mama.
Save it as my baby mama. Anyways, when you come link not to your mother later, because I see your mother gone from when I one out there.
Yeah.
When you come link me, because from when you link me, this man and my auntie, me have to call my godmother, miss me mean. I have to call something to eat.
Mama, sometimes I like fear craziness to you. Every time you do it, you want more crazy.
You know, man, I show you the bun.
You have to understand, but me I can't link you out there. I'm not tired, you know.
Pussy hole a sleep, you see. Oh. Oh God. Yummy. Back hurt me. I'm a big dirty hill, I'm not going to walk up, man. Can I just get reread that day? No, sir.
Dirty girl.
girl.
Dirty girl.
Nasty girl, them and
Dirty girl.
What's your problem?
Every time I see you, why? Why? Why am I ever?
I'm even say every time I see you.
Yeah.
Are you there, live?
Yes, I see you. I'm a man me I look for.
I'm a baby father, me I look for me, I know how your man look. Where your man?
My baby father.
Finally, your
Bob gonna always be my man. Catch your head. Bob's always gonna be my man. That's my man.
Baba your man?
Yes.
Alright.
Nothing not gonna change that, mama. And you're a baby father, but he's my baby father too, and my man.
Don't move. I don't want you to slip out of my hand. Stand up. Where's your other go? Cause you see my body feel weak and I just don't eat. Try to let me sleep, me want to sleep, every bit me want to sleep. So every time you see you want to have fast with me, you want a problem?
Every time you see me, I would have a problem with me. You know, some of the employer one time when hungry did a strike, you know.
500.
Mama hungry did a strike your mug broke. And I help you. I help you when hungry did a lick out tripe out of you when Bob never did a pay no mind when Bob all over the place. All over the place with one bag of
No.
gas. You know what me I should I do?
Bob will always play with Skettle you.
Not with me, mama.
And you call me for that
With
beat
Skettle. You're just Skettle, God's sister. She Bob did that all over the place.
What's the plan like you?
You know what me I should I be? Friend. You know why? You told me could have take Bob. Because I'm your baby father and I'm my baby father. Nothing wrong with that. You could have your time with him, me and my time with him. I give you money, me I get my money. I never yet one day bad mouth Bob about you. I always tell Bob say, take care of Kayla and the baby. And the
Me a touch me baby for y'all. Yeah, take me money, I want to take me y'all. Yeah, take me money, I want to
hey.
Yeah, yeah. 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 Yeah.
Hey, yeah.
Kill your mama. But I walk out there. Let go of me. Come. Let go of me. Come. Let go of me. Let go of me. You tell me, man. Jesus. Stop telling me, man, girl. Left, Bob. Put it up. Just me, girl. Just me, girl. I'm not done. Let me go, girl. Let me go. Let me go, girl. Come on. Come on here. Let's see my belly full. Let's see my belly full. Hold on. Wait.
Yeah.
Mama, wait. I feel like the baby I come. Wait. The baby I come.
I don't
Wait.
this is a gun dead with the
Wait.
person.
Lord. Jesus. Almighty Father God. We need to take a rest. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. Auntie, what do you do? Eh?
You know how far me there? And somebody come call me and tell me say you're on the road they fight with your big belly. Kayla. So, you and this girl in the top war? When did they fight for again? I know Bob.
Bob.
Again?
If me never eat, me don't have energy. Because they fight because me hungry. Eh?
Where you say?
She too wicked.
Where you just say?
She
You can
keep
never
on
eat.
fight over Bob, but me and her not fight. Me and her me tell herself to live good, but no, she want to fight with me. Me tell her to come and live good.
Oh, wait, we don't want to blow too much like a donkey. We don't want to drink, but we ease down on yourself. May I talk to you first, then you. Yeah, yeah, where you just say if you never eat,
Yes.
you would have energy.
Yes.
You realize what you just say?
Yes. If you show me belly full,
Whoa.
me feel like me want to sleep. Me have
Alright.
the energy to fight. You see me hungry?
Mm.
Me I fight because she a take Bob and me now eat. I was so me hungry, me get grimy.
I lie.
Yes. You see?
With this belly, yeah.
With the belly, yeah.
But you're serious, man. You don't love yourself. You see no pregnant somebody with this a big old ass steering belly they walk and fight people?
Yeah.
You act like Baba God.
Me.
So Bob belongs to you?
Yeah.
And nobody else?
Nobody else.
You own Bob?
Me own Bob.
Me can ask you a question? You and Bob married?
Not as yet.
So how you own Bob?
Me have
You know how much
him.
woman Bob have?
Me not busy much woman Bob.
Why
I
you
have.
make me the all the way in a Negril, in the town, and somebody have to come take taxi and come call me. Tell me say the pan road a fight with your big belly. You don't love yourself, you know? Kayla, you don't want the baby?
You see me carry me baby. It's like you're blind and I see baby in front of me.
No rank with me.
Every time you come and
Me I know your mama, so no talk to me so.
So every time you embarrass me on
Me
road.
is not your mother.
Alright.
No rank with me.
Alright.
And mine know your point their finger here. Mine know your point. Mine know your
Me go here now.
finger here.
Alright, Miss Candy.
Mine know the...
Miss Candy, me go here now. I want one. She
Which
no
one can I
say.
go?
And me Bob one.
Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. No go nowhere. Come here. What you just say? What you just say?
You know say.
Who she to me?
Your goddaughter.
Come here. So who tell us you can't take my goddaughter, man?
Are your goddaughter wanna take me?
Tear off your clothes.
Are your goddaughter wanna take me?
Who tell you say you can take my goddaughter, man, and they
Chef
come look?
Pepper's man.
What?
Chef Pepper's yes, he birth
Look here.
surf ticket.
Who ya? Where's your baby?
No one want my baby.
Young. Come
Yes.
here, say I breathe to you now.
Yes, oh, step that from now.
So hold on.
I'm gonna chill back for you. I'm look out
Little
you
girl.
out your belly.
What pregnant and a fight?
What's going on here?
She a go on like she a paper see Bob. Me tell the girl say come me and I live good. The girl grab me. Ready for fight.
I tell you
No.
to her.
What's
Yeah,
your
for me
Hold on
baby.
there. But you don't tell me the story good at all. Me see you they run. Me see you they like a horse.
Come
They
down
get up.
outside with
No.
her because she
So
don't
if
want
she
to
a
lose
look
the
peace
baby.
from you, me not understand. Hey, all, hey, no look for me say no. Come in and chat to you, you know. And your daughter me and talk to come in me hear what you say in your mind. So if I come, you come for an argument with me, no bother with it. Little girl, are you me and talk to?
Yeah.
A piece of come make with her?
Yes, me
So,
tell you.
so what you fight for?
She let me Bobby. She let me baby. She let me baby some boom.
You see
I
this
will
thing
never.
here? You see
You
this
run
thing
me
Hold on,
belly.
hold on, hold on.
You run on the belly some.
Wait,
Say,
you
come
need to
here,
tell me
boy.
your name again. Riri. Kayla,
Yes.
no, listen to this now. Me, you know, I passa with you, and I mix me up, you know. Did Riri come to you and say she make peace with you?
Yes, really come and say.
So why fighting start? Why problem? What is?
She hit me baby.
She make peace with you and lick you still?
Yes, she come
So
back to
war, you
her.
come out?
No, me not come out no war.
She
Me come
come
out
Who want tell like? Come in and understand me.
You see this little girl here, she don't. Yeah, one night me see her, me stop her, me talk to her. Somebody here, she a baby, but me tell her, I say, in a minute, I say, two of them are fight over Bob every day because the two of them pregnant.
And come on, dirty Bob too. And your next one always they cuss people for Bob for your daughter. You idiot. You don't see Bob a thief. You don't see, and your daughter not no sense, and me goddaughter a idiot. You don't see that. You shouldn't even make me amount meat sicker than two people, you know. Hello, when you hear big people talk, you shut your damn blasted mouth. You hear me I tell you?
She not talk
No,
to.
shut
Yeah,
up.
believe them.
No, me not believe nobody.
And she did that me a defend my baby. She goes so, you will must live together. You know me and you. There with Bob and we are brave Bob and go boom.
Tell
Boom.
me rub them my belly, me see
Rub
them,
them,
and then
no.
you grab me.
Me not fight for no reason at all. She let me be there. Me a defend my
I don't know
baby.
what's something
You
wrong with
not
her.
fight for no reason.
There might be
You not
something
say
wrong with
you.
her. Yeah, something wrong with her. I believe
say?
something wrong with her.
No,
No
man,
go
you
get
go
you
care
up and
about
lick your piggy
psychiatrist.
so yours are wicked. Mommy me ready.
Me not in a no. You better
Me
move with your
talk.
mother. Come in only two on one
Me
time.
not talk. You see that yellow? Me I saw me
Me
stop her and
gone.
talk to her one night and I saw she be. Me say the two are pregnant. You know me the son not fight every minute. That nah go
Let
no.
me tell her.
You see she me not nothing she not about her. She not no just easy yourself.
Hello, you know
Baby
your mother
self.
talk to me. I want him.
One night me see her, me I said to
What
her,
happened?
say,
Your mother talking.
wait, me
You want next one to you know no manners. Just like you. What you say?
Me see her and me talk to her.
Yeah.
Me don't want you know wait. Baba my man. Bob belongs to me.
Oh,
And nobody
hello.
else so she behave.
I understand you just say but Bob no belongs to she
And that's just
nor
it.
your daughter cause Bob no want none out of the two of them. You hear me I tell you?
Look
So
at
if you
her.
know me know you take your mouth out of it. Because Bob no want none of them.
Alright, me no business own one. Me make sure tell her you know.
Not chat too much. Yawa. Yawa.
Yes, so me I tell you about.
Yawa.
Ay,
Mama,
look
put
at
down.
her.
Look at me, mother. Hey, girl.
Look here.
You see?
Yes, so me I tell you about. Yes, look at her.
Hey.
What she had to say?
What your yard man?
Come, me dance.
What your yard?
Let me come back.
Oi, me boss say. What your yard?
Bobby, you're wicked that you breed me out, tell me.
You see you?
Every time Kayla see me, Kayla beat
But there's
me.
a trainer here. I warn about them little deadbeat here. I warn about them, you know.
Wait.
Warn
Wait,
about
hold
them.
on there.
Tell me man deadbeat. Oi, all the deadbeat are you. No, you don't talk to my mother, sir.
Hello.
Me afraid of you. Let me afraid of you. Me a bad girl, you know, real mad girl with a big gut, yeah.
No touch her. No touch her.
I jump on my man, sir. Embarrassment. Come here.
Go inside, Jameli. Go inside.
Stop me, the man.
Oh God. What do you? You beat her?
You made the girl grab me here and gone.
Then that kind of nothing. When you see her, you bust her ass. Anytime you see her, bust her ass. And take taxi and run come with me there. She can't do you nothing. Come on. We will catch them.
You buy me no
Warn your
surprise.
dirty daughter. Warn your dirty daughter. When she pull me goddaughter here, watch me now. Alright, Bob? Remember me tell you, any of me hold one knife or one scissors in my hand, I'll just see me a cut out, boy. See dirty hat here. Dash you away.
Come on, son, man. You have a nice son. You see? May I carry you out this, sir? Go show you something.
Yeah, show me.
When you reach, I tell you what it is. But may I go bring you, go show you something. Come.
After you could not get up this so I should even know me and bust out in your face. You know, you're not because someone with me acid there.
Because you want to go to prison and you want to pick me in a prison.
Nothing
They tell
wrong.
that thing until you behave yourself. You know, you say if you listen to me, you wouldn't even reach yourself, you know. But you try to see through, you don't listen. I mean, why you get yourself in a problem.
Acid, me go acid
You
there.
hear me talk to you? I don't want you to get yourself in a problem. Leave her alone. You see if you see her on the ride? Take the left.
She not leave me alone.
Yes, when me bring you out there to go show you what me have show you, you're not gonna have no time for them again, okay?
Okay.
Come. Patience. Go on inside.
Oh God, me
Tired of going outside. You see the place there? I want shop or me and fix up for you. That's you can have something to do.
oh.
We already qualified and tell him what we want to do. And we go get the things then, but the man may wait for to finish. Put up the shelf and everything. And then we can stock it out and you get it. Remember now, me I tell you, say if I start with me, you never get it. You see when me, I'm 15 like you, remember me they pregnant with you. And my mother put me with on the road all the time.
Mommy in a nice store.
Right, so you see after today when me done fix here, so me know why you know argument with a body. You hear me say next thing I'm gonna you see a little dirty piece of man.
Acid, me go acid
You hear
there.
me say me know why you acid no body. This when me done with this and fix up for you, you see them and go like that little piece of man, me know why you see them until the baby born. Because him have to do him have to do him why you leave out them people they completely leave them alone. You hear me say me your father try to set you up.
Alright, me like you're nice, you're not active.
Alright, so I your own.
Alright.
don't care who got me. You're so low. Oh, I go on me out. No, so I just come back off the road. Yeah, man, I run a one trip, man, because I want to live in country, you know. So I run a one trip. I be mix up on the road. Just reach back in. You know? So I will have 5 and thing. What? Where's your sim? Oh, I know that road. They run it right now. Don't move. Yeah, panic. Yeah, panic. Me forward right now. On it down. Adjust time. Look at the road now. Look at the road, man. Yeah, when the boy I get where you know. Hold you now, boy. Hold the goat them. Hold them. This is Jamaica, yeah. This is Jamaica, yeah. Yo, don't move there. Don't move there, yo. I'm not touching my car.
You have to stop it, yo. Why your people them gang me?
Where you get new hat from?
I'm your hat.
All of the hat.
Lift me hand, don't touch your hand. What is
Tired,
it?
me tired,
You
come
want-
down.
you want us-
Come on. Tired.
Yeah, but I have to come
Hold
down.
on, tired. Yes, but that depends on whatever needs. Just to keep up
Mama.
pants in your...
I don't know if they help them or I will know, but if he like a 4 head behind my head.
I have a me.
4, 8, but 60, I think 16 has me feeling a moment.
I never me.
But
Come on, come on,
come, let's go.
I'm tired for you. Lift me up.
move, you.
Papa.
Don't move. Now come for me, I'll pack you off and shoot in your face. Don't move. This a boy owes some money from what day? You owe some money from what day?
Mr. Yard, don't put your run from me, far.
Where my money there?
Money we are do. I can't bust my money, no, I love me, I can't bust my money.
Then take my car and I know you not pay me. I run my run from what day, you know.
Alright, you know
And somebody call me and tell me, you know.
see next time, they come in peace. They come in now.
No, me say me can't find him.
Oh. Me worry, you know. Calm down, me call me auntie. Well, madam.
Yeah.
You know, say, me shot at the Rasta
shot at
boy.
fire.
Fire. Because I'm going to show me one little piece of money. Somebody ask us if you could just pay for me, please.
How much money you owe him?
25 you owe me.
25.
Alright, me see what me can do. Which part of there?
But they arrange, but mom can come to you.
Where you owe him for?
Can you come in? Me beg him come up there, so.
So Kayla,
Eh?
why you take somebody car and you don't have no money? You don't know it's a problem that. And every driver run joke, you know.
Alright, you will pay. Alright, and you go pay. You go to where I pay.
Well,
Yeah.
you want to go pay?
Yeah. See next time, too. You come more decent, because I'm going to
Listen
bust your head.
Dude, next time, do not come in my car without your money. Me have a new,
Next time, don't run down me, man.
me have a new policy, you know. Pay before you go into my car. Don't charter.
So where put that old joke now?
Because I don't know what. Alright.
Go on,
I'm money.
money.
It's all about money. You want, you know where you go?
You walk on all the wrong side. You don't know if people go in their car.
No, because you know where you go. Me say, you save in life.
So me I want you to love me and cherish me. See, I mean, pay it, I will love you. Come on, we are going to go now. We have to sleep with you tonight. Never be the same.
Yeah, so my time, you know, so you think so me have it, you know, but me not really have it though. You know what I mean? But people assumption. Now not for do with life, you know. Well, me just rise up, you know. Today is a good day. Give thanks to life. Yeah man, God is the greatest. You know what, man? Yeah man, but anything go on, I make you know. Alright?
You guys are pull up me and come and get me linky girl for the main thing because she will go and something.
Oh. So do that now, yeah? They are going to eat it.
So, now we'll go down there and check on it. So, we fall back with that. Is it?
Alright, babe.
Anyway, so how the baby? Everything good?
Yeah. She alright. I mean, she or he or whatever in there. She alright.
Alright, so you eat for now.
Yeah, me eat.
Alright, so make sure you get something to eat by the time you come. Is it?
Alright, yeah.
So far, not that long.
Yeah.
Hello? Kayla, I come back unknown number. What happened? Where you talk about? I drop asleep last night. But if you can't, that's why I'm not come over here to come check you. Mama, you can't listen to Riri. Mama, I like Riri. I tell me and Riri. I not see Riri far away. Mama, the reason why I'm not come over there because I drop asleep. You see me, I come in tired yesterday. So that's why I'm not come check you over here. Me the palm way I know I got you just to do me here, Mama. What do you? Me I can't check. Me sure can't check you, man. Don't worry yourself. Zane. Alright, look come on. Yeah. You there shop? Alright. Me I come with you right now, come to me here. Me a little bit far away there, man. Me come to me here right now. Yeah. So no do nobody else, you know. The last customer I have do him, man, tell them say you're now the time. Me I come here now. Am I Minix? Alright, me I come right now. Alright.
Hello?
Girl,
How old is that?
I mean Kayla, the baby mother.
Where you want, girl?
You know, if man alone.
Let me why me not let a man. No, mama. Your man not left me. What you mean?
Amount of beating I'm give you, but think you left my man alone.
My girl, your man not left me. Right now, I'm me a lock off the house because I'm here in the house now.
Which house that?
Film house.
But that's the house that you
Sleep
lock
last
off.
night.
Which part you sleep last night? Like,
No side of him.
where? Which part your house in there?
Girl, come on for this. What which part of house today? Me not tell you that to come mash up my good relationship. But that's what I can do.
Alright, about yourself.
Bye. Come on for my phone, girl. Right. Okay. Bye. Stop.
Yeah, what go on?
Me there, you good?
How does Kayla again?
Yeah, man. Me
If it-
have one luggage there, you carry. Me have a luggage there carry. Some dirty clothes. What I want to salvation to the poor people.
Man.
Here?
Yeah, man, yeah.
So real dirty bangaloo, dingaloo clothes. No why you jump on my store up to me the cash line.
No, you think come dog, man. If you don't have the money, your godmother have it.
Right.
So just tell me location, because I no broke my dogs for a morning.
You remember when you come to me the time, you have my godmother?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, out there.
Up a Bob Rampton shop.
Yes.
I am forward, man.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, man. Alright. This is have somebody can help me, because I mean, so I did something here. Mash up my back and I want to go up on the bridge later. So no new people do that. You look like a jazz when you come, girl. You know what I say? I have one heavy load in my car. I look like a tramp. I know you for a long time. I know you're a Kayla friend. Yeah, man, I took me to drop off here. Yeah, you know, man, nice story. I want to look at back into something to the Salvation Army. But I know say you don't like cheap clothes, that you're not going on. Help me with it. I'm more than clothes. Well, everybody, I don't come to the puppy. And she's pregnant, I left her down the road there. Yeah, man, come, man. Make her belong with them. Alright, so that is it. Give thanks. Look, yo, I wonder how much lift up and put in, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so she did it. So I go up on the road. So you good though?
Yeah, man, yeah.
You're not calling for two charter.
Coming out gonna way I know.
We run so and see. With me, I carry one girl pan charter and he say, yeah, take away in data. Man. Yeah, so careful. The boy Bob, I go to mash him up. Anyway, in woman pay for him. Anyway, when you want, go now remember.
Yeah,
Tell anybody and get me number. Then we can get some work. I would have give you a thing, but I don't get paid yet. When I see you, I give me buy you a juice.
Alright.
Alright? Enough respect, man.
I need to talk to you now. I talk to you what they already you know. But me there say like how my daughter belly not reach nowhere yet, you know. Me know yeah, they say I go take care of everything, I go do what you're supposed to do, but like our belly not reach nowhere yet. What going forward because she, you know she gonna need things.
Anyways, as I said before, we have this under control, isn't it? Look more, she said, alright, she can sleep with me. As I said, so she forward now, me and her we talk, and we put things on a straight, yes, we straighten out things. But as I say, they are fear and the baby. I understand the baby might not reach now here, but I'm happy, you understand? So, you don't have to worry about nothing, you see, I don't have to stress out myself. I have everything under control, you see, I work on everything, so I don't want to know. You see me, you just give me some time, isn't it?
I'm a one pitney, so I have to stress out myself because I don't want to go through what me go through, okay? So that is why.
As I said before, everything under control, I straighten out everything. And tomorrow you can sleep with me and I'll talk. Isn't it? Everything. You understand?
Alright. So you said, make it stay this so.
Alright. Where are you?
Come here. Let me in. You can't say morning.
Morning candy.
I know style me as no morning candy for you, Miss Candy.
The morning.
You ride off me got that. Come around and so make me talk to you. Come right here so come in and turn up in and know some sake of you. Oh. Hello. Me no come in no argument with you today. Me just come to tell you my mind cause right now my goddaughter needs some money. And you don't have nothing to worry about. Right now, me relieve you from one of the stress. So you can put on that stress there. You know we stress? If you never know, never surprised to tell you. Me send when my daughter gone a foreign.
What?
Take her from Jamaica, make she gone over so go and study because I know my daughter a bright girl. I know a workless man like you, but turn my daughter good for nothing. I realize say I grown and I deal with she and the old lady, I deal with anybody.
Listen. So how I first my ears if she gonna find?
Yeah, you know for here.
So if she gonna you know she can't tell me first?
Hello. You go tell her something. You see my daughter business is my prerogative. Not your business. Me think you're too inquisitive. And you're nosy. You see that little nosy? You're taking and poking on my daughter business and a question her about me and about she. But guess what? All of them there, bang around there over. My daughter gone overseas. Our flight date. Me tell her if you not tell nobody because you're not too wicked out here, so she gone. So, anyway, it's like how me relieve you. Which number? Yeah. She not have no phone yet. She not get no SIM card yet to call me. She not even tell me say she reach it, but me know she reach. Me know her itinerary, the time and everything, flight time and everything when they panic. Listen, don't worry about that. That's my business. I mean, I know your question me for come here, no friend. Remember, say we are two enemies. You understand? Come in know how you feel want to with me. Goddaughter. And you want to with me. Personal data. You mix up bad. But guess what? Leave that alone. Me tired to talk about it. Here now. 1 million times I look like you know you when me say I let the pan how my data gone and you don't know you just here. When me the pan is to tell you that me relieve you off of one stress. So you need to take care of Kayla now.
But me not take care of
no, lie. Like Kayla not tap walk and beg back food from road. Then I'll chew up bone and gear in a food already.
Yeah,
and she near me.
That.
Achoo! Because me hear them video it and show me.
Yeah, make it look bad.
No,
You can't make people do this.
Why me I take time and then you make me start ball out? Because you're too enough, you have to listen. You see the neighbor there where they over there, so me no want hear you not talking because I know me I talk to and no ask me no question on this. Me shut up on no mouth. Me I talk to this idiot who say my son-in-law. Me no want you to be my son-in-law.
You give me shit. I'm not going there. You make you man look.
That's why you feel have ambition. And you should have keep up down there so. That day when me tell us if you give me cut off here, give me you they get figure think about to breed somebody else. So now you hear say my daughter gone and foreign they plan to go look somebody else. But me tell us you see any girl me here say you there with whether I'm my family or I'm my friend or my enemy or me don't know them no time, then make sure so they know how you turn. You love walk around and breed
so
people and
let walk around and tell people nothing about you.
What? You don't know nothing about me. You don't know nothing about me at all. You have something about me? You don't know nothing about me no time, so we are going to tell them say me have a lot to say about you because number one, you breed me goddaughter. You're there with me goddaughter. You're there with my daughter. And you're there with one another poison group of one. When you must see Riri. One must see Matty daughter. The littlest one, Yawa. You just walk around and a fling that sitting there where you have down there so all over the place. In the gate them we wide open. Why you not keep it padlock up? Eh? You don't know if you control down there so? Eh? You don't know. Let me ask you one question and I need you to answer me. I don't want to give you no time for talking now. Because only thing I want you to say is say oh take care of Carolina, but me and sitting there say you know. You don't know hood control. Me say if you don't know hood control.
Yeah.
Me already know say Jamaica surrounded by the hood, land and water.
Right.
And you want go on like I say you alone want surround Jamaica by hood, land and water. Yeah. So now other man know
provider.
you know say how be me got data?
You
Your me got data. She tell me say you take her care of one woman yard. We give you the ring with the on your finger. You is a wicked. What you do to me got data? Come and know me got daughter have sense and she have ambition although she faced with her mama all the while and she rank with her mother. Why you have to take her up and go breed her? You could use condom as a wicked dirty man.
Naturally, I understand.
Who loves you?
You're a goddaughter.
My daughter, me not say no love. Who loves you?
Kayla and Tia.
You see you?
Yeah.
I tie your type me goddaughter. When you say true, me don't want you tie me daughter, me send her go foreign.
Ah, yeah. Miss Candy.
Don't call me name, me want you take care of.
Yeah, I'm going to take care of Kayla.
No! Mark it, don't get X right here so now make me know say you're going to start. Mind Kayla. With your finger. So see the X on the ground. Make it hold right. And any hour. Kayla tell me say she hungry and she have to walk on and sleep with her about again and use catch free. I be anything me say I lick down, you know.
Sorry.
Some breeder $5,000 will be here say like your friend and big up your thinking self and borrow your friend them car. And it catch Kayla, you know. Oh no, borrow no friend vehicle and show off and then the food full girl them see.
If you say Kayla walk for the road, and you say Kayla baby, feed her, put her up, close her.
Shut your box today. I'm a breeder, yes, I'm a goddaughter. I will give her anything she wants as long as me have it. But why me if you take up the full responsibility? Wait there. Me if you take up the full responsibility and go mind Kayla. Me have wood. It's me breeder. It's me up my park gate and walk in there.
Just walk up with mother up here.
You walk up with mother up gate.
And
up which gate?
No.
Fimi gate?
No, this is me don't know where you live.
What you say? Where you
me walk really mother up the road.
Hour.
And I see him lecturing today. So
yes, we feel lecture. Yes, make sure lecture. I want to
plan this.
Plan, me not plan with nobody.
Alright, hear me say no.
Me not plan with nobody more. Anytime you see you better make sure you have money. Next time forgive Kayla because as long as you get one woman pregnant, you're supposed to stand up as the daddy.
You know worry, you not see me again, you know? Because if me I walk on the farm, I see you for me, I turn back. Because you got chat and you not done chat. Half an hour.
Bob, you don't know me, you know? A Kayla godmother, this is not like Kayla not tell us me we rub you off that and make you can't get no more girl. Me rat meat off. Family run. I will take poison group off for you. How? And the snake wish them for you. You think that you run? Dirty boy and know say me we are to get in a spirit and turn get invisible and turn in a some witch and come in, hey, you don't know something, the white church of Rosal a family, you know. Me and the white witch of Rosal is family. And I would go dream her, pinch her in her grave and make she come and come for you. And pinch out your balls. Make you leave people girl pick me alone. Want come breed that people girl pick me. I don't want to stand up to your responsibility, but and me, if you give Kayla food. If Kayla hungry, how are you? You know what? You're damn right. You see anytime you see me, you run. You see anytime you see me, you better take it right. And if you're over the right, then you see me on the left, go up in the sky, come in and stop commenting until you stand up to your responsibility. And what this other thing man you know you stand up? I grown and I smoke and I drink Hennessy like I say you know that's like you have money and your friend them money you borrow. Big and think now, look how you underpan tear up. But you bleach, you can't even buy bleaching cream but you not can't even mind your pitney you workless drunk, you know, so I don't like you. I don't know what Kayla when they do. What Kayla? Dirty boy, you feel say me a ramp with you. You hide back I shop. Me no joking with you. You don't mind me got that, you know. It's me a carry your family coat. I mean me. Oh. What's that me a go do? You know which part?
Yeah,
You ever come around here?
no. But I can't tell one taxi driver to let me off.
Alright, just tell them to let you have Villa page. We have something
Alright.
very important to talk to you about.
Alright.
I mean, need to treat you, you know, because you got that and you know, so me love you same way. You understand?
Yeah, alright.
Take care of yourself and me wait for you.
Yeah.
Alright.
That hurt me.
You know me?
No.
Yeah, Riri, madam.
Really, madam.
Yeah.
How can I help you?
I'm going to come with an argument. Alright. So, I'm going to say you're pregnant and Riri pregnant with the same man. Now, the time for no live bad. No need to live good. So, you're pregnant. You reach and say you're pregnant. You have a good day with the baby. She's pregnant.
Really semi-pregnant. Isn't it obvious semi-pregnant? Because the belly there right in front of me.
She don't give herself.
I am Bob only baby mother. I don't know who tell you that if you go breed. You should cage up your daughter. You know where the car go loose on the road.
Alright, listen to me. You see? She don't get pregnant already and you don't pregnant already. No one has time for the fuss and fight. You see me get pregnant early and see me no want that for my daughter. Right about now, I talk to her and I tell her say no bother with this because it make no sense. Because me will take care of her even the one I want to take care of her.
I don't know what probably too late. I don't know what you're too late.
How many? It's never too late.
I mean, cage up your daughter. I'm not going to cage up. I mean, cage up myself. Excuse me.
What do you mean by it?
Excuse. I'm going to go over there.
Little girl, listen to me. I think when I'm here to talk to you, listen to me.
I listen to me. I have to come here and breathe. And I will lick you over out here. Step to the go over my business now. Set your body good.
best life after she pregnant you. You need to chill. You need to take a chill pill and chill and relax yourself.
Not where I can't hurt me and bring people. Me don't breathe and me proud of me belly. Me not this what I belly. You welcome me. What about your niggas come on top? Let me chat to me, Papa.
It's okay. Have a nice night. Here for you.
Oh, I'm going to. Right.
You're tired, not you? Oh God.
That's bad.
You know, see your belly I get cold though.
Don't call me belly cold.
No, it I get old and older. The baby I get big and see your belly get big.
Sometimes it come out.
Anyway. I said you got sister overseas, you know?
Yeah, so me I realize and I hear too. So why me couldn't go?
Why you couldn't go, just listen. The reason why I send her away. I don't like people foolishness. So I send her for one little trip overseas. As you ask me a question, I answer. Because you love chat, but I cut for your argument, them, you know. And how I prefer daughter more than you. You is my goddaughter. And you is just like my own daughter. You understand?
Yes.
I could have sent you. But you see, when I go to the agency, the agency say your belly too old for travel on plane.
Oh.
And the plane I go shake you up and make it come like you're dropping a rut. Yes. Then say the plane when you in the air sometimes you feel like it a going a rut. You know, like pothole. So when the plane go in a pothole, your baby will shift from the left and go back to the right.
If I didn't know, say when I go on a trip overseas, I tell me before me get the belly. So the belly
look here. Me come here so in a peace me you talk me daughter. Make me you talk in a peace. Nobody piss me off. When you go do what you know fi do, you never make me know.
If you tell me when the belly reach 1 month,
you da dash away.
That dash away. Cause it don't make no sense.
No.
Cause all me I do is rope and done back a man. PP clock Bob is a disgrace.
You know no shame for they say that. You never know before. Me take how much time me want you.
You don't want me catch you. You don't want to know what me do what day.
How you do?
What day I feel beat really with my belly. But Bob just done water baby head. Cause she a breathe too. You know hear about it?
So wait there. Me kinda hear this story, but anyway. After you have this belly in front of you, you really turn up the fight one next woman.
Yeah.
Over one man.
Yeah.
And so much man there.
Not
right now the way you me eat Baba. Are the wrong man you breed for? The way you me eat him.
True.
If I name one thing when you did younger, I would tell you for that show, but you me no want God seen me just make you carry. Because me did have the money, me could have give you.
I'm tell you this too. When I go me and call me back up and Riri mother. I can't talk about she come in peace. Me have to make sure no say our picnic not safe at all. Because it only can be one baby mama and that's me.
Kayla, a time for you to stop the war now. Remember say you know. You're pregnant in a real life, you know?
Me know say in a real life I'm pregnant.
I want a real baby in your belly, you know?
Me know say real.
So, you never know say if you fight with baby in your belly, you will end up have hemorrhage, end up in a hospital and dead. You never know that. Listen, me no want nothing to do with you. Just listen to me and stop the fighting. But look who you war over to. And then the girl, you tell me say the girl pregnant. Me here for a long time, but me never know say you know.
No,
me here.
So you did hear that?
No, listen, me know say and the girl fight. Just listen to me and say. Me never know say. You know say me here. Because me name feel like to say anything to you. Because I don't want to bring up back no strife between you and her. Just cut out the fighting now, man. And stop now.
Every time I see her, and she tell me about she and Bob, me they go fight her. Once somebody mention Bob name. When the belly big so in front of me, me they fight. Me they fight and fight. Not because me have no baby, nobody go like they want to diss me a road.
So,
Bob me fight the other day too.
Listen, my goddaughter. If you are my goddaughter,
Yes.
You know what this to me? This baby that inside your belly. You know what this baby is to me? Okay. So please, not hurt yourself and do not hurt the baby.
I'm not that. So that hurt me now.
How you da feel if you know so you go fight now and you lose the baby? Since as you love Bob so much. Why you want to lose the baby?
Me not lose the baby. It's when me a fight. Me not then me and the baby them a fight and me them a fight. None of them not so mad flipping in my belly. And me them a fight, no, not the baby.
So when look here, yeah, sorry, jackass. I want to know when time people pregnant or not pregnant, people decide which part to lick people more while.
Ay,
More while I think so them all lick you in your belly and in your eye, then lick you.
No.
You think your eye in your belly or your back?
Remember, so the belly there, you say, you know, you see, when me affect belong on my hands so I hold them, me don't make them hold me, I try beat them.
Alright.
Me a warmonger.
Alright, Mama Lashy. Listen what me I say now.
Mm-hmm.
I call if I talk to you and you just depend this thing, this thing. Anyway, me plan to carry you go over one hotel when me have one share Zena.
Oh, good.
Me have some shares in it, me a part of the hotel. So more you go sit down and enjoy yourself. Cause
And cock up the foot.
me send your god sister gone overseas and me know so you don't feel away. So me a carry you go over there. You can sit down and enjoy yourself and catch a cool breeze. And if you want to go in the pool, you can go in there too.
Yeah, but then let me tell you something, one more something before we walk off.
What is it?
You see, I feel like when I send her over there,
Eh?
it's better for me. Nobody won't take Bob. Me I wonder too, if you could get a ticket for Riri, she can fly on the plane and
Me?
left. Yeah. And left me and Bob one, yeah. It's better for me, do that for me. You don't love me, I love you.
Me love you too.
But
But
if you
that's
do
what me
that
not do.
What?
Waste no money for nobody pick they take them send them girlfriend. Me rather wait till the baby born, me send you and the baby go on so you can leave Bob alone.
No, if you come back with me, I love Bob, I not left Bob, you come on. I want to cock up my foot now, foot hurt me.
Take time walk man. Come here hurt yourself. Man, over here so me a talk.
Oh, girls look nice.
Yeah, over here nice man. You can enjoy yourself. So you see over here so now? You can stay in any one of the room them upstairs. You understand?
Yeah.
Up there so. Yes, you can sleep over here tonight. For few days, any amount of time. Because tonight alone you want to sleep and then you go on. You just stay any amount of time and enjoy yourself.
Yeah. You know, say,
The
when I see the
restaurant.
water.
Yeah? The restaurant the right order.
Yeah, but the African shirt, I'm on my belly. You see, I see the water, you know who remember?
Oh.
Bob. And I water get me pregnant.
Oh, let me tell you something. You see, I carry you over here in a piece, make we stay in a piece. Because we should be up over there. So.
You can't do that. You join the baby.
Me with John, you and the picnic. You hear me I tell you? Me no want you can't tell me nothing. Me carry you over here so you enjoy yourself. You go tell me about the dirty nasty Baba. But when I have no money, Baba ever carry a hotel yet? No, me carry over here.
But
So
can we go beach?
here you.
In a water. That's how the baby come.
Kayla, make me stay in a piece, please.
Alright.
If you're hungry, go on up at the go up at the table up there, sir.
Let me go right now, because me hungry bad.
And make place your order and then you sit down in the dining room and enjoy yourself and eat as much. Eat for you and the baby. Enjoy yourself when you're
Yeah.
done. You can go on in the pool, go swim. You can swim?
Yeah, we can swim with the baby so I think me get pregnant.
No, but we have lifeguard over here so we can make them go and watch out.
Yeah.
But no go down in the deep part.
I'm going to deeper because I want a lifeguard to save me. The baby.
What wrong with you?
I'm talk it short.
Before me come over here, so you did a drink?
No.
So why you talk your foolishness?
I'm going to deeper. But I lifeguard can save me and the
And I can't tell
baby.
me how Bob get you pregnant in a water.
I want to remember.
Hello, shut up when you talk. Oi. I'm not ready for you going there yet. No put your hand in it. Anyway, you see before you go in the pool, bathe first. Because the whole of the junjo off of Bob the pan, I don't want to be in the pool.
Me don't see Bob crying. I know your pool. I people in pool.
Me have shears over here, not really quick.
No, that's a shears.
You know what, when people say they have shears, you know something what that means? I am a part of this. Half fight of me.
Half fight full of years.
Oh, me will make you know about that skin.
You're going to get something.
Be clear. Kneel
Yeah,
down.
black-
Kneel down and tell me say sorry. Else you're not going in my pool. Kneel down.
I can't kneel down with the belly.
And that's why I want you to try and kneel down because you have to go sit so down in hospital and push out that.
No.
And don't call me
I'm
name.
sorry. I'm sorry. Therefore, we'll get something to eat. Because I'm hungry bad.
When I say to your mother,
I don't know. The time when your daughter beat me. That day there. That day there before the daughter fly. How long did the daughter fly out?
you can't go look for her, you know. Because she
No.
must sorry for everything when she do to you.
She run me out like a dog. We work hard one day, you know. Go beg her a little money. But she never give me.
Listen, Taylor. Still your mother. You
She
can't
tell me
forgive
about
her.
you and tell me how your chicken parts. Your mama got something.
No worry yourself, you can't forgive her, it's your mother. You know, I think, listen, you see the way how you treat your mother, although your mother don't treat you good, remember, see you're pregnant and your child will not treat you the same way or even worse.
Anything my child uphold with, I uphold with it.
You better pray this a pitney and not on thief, you know.
Well, I'm boy, not to
Because Baba thief, Baba everything that's bad. Baba gigolo, Baba 1 million girl, you the own up, Baba and Baba now own you. This saying have no sense.
Bob, warm me up. You see this what I saw? Own a ship.
Hold on then, so two Bob get you pregnant, you feel say Bob own you up.
Yeah.
So why you get so much other woman pregnant? If he did respect you and own you as no personal woman, why Bob go breed Riri?
Riri, no way about Riri. I saw Riri problem, boy, you don't know that.
Yes, I will.
You solve it. To them, I solve
And if
it.
your name the freak about Riri and Bob, why you want me to go buy plane ticket to send Riri go foreign? You see me look like Riri, mama?
While ago, something flash back to me mind.
Or you want Bob for yourself?
No.
So me must
Me
send her
don't
Riri
have
a
bad
foreign.
for myself, you know.
I like.
I saw Riri problem earlier today when I called her phone.
What kind
That's
of
all I
problem
need to
then?
know.
What is the problem?
Eh?
What is the problem?
No, that is the problem. We just solve our problem.
You solved it.
Yes.
Oh.
There will be no more Riri. Just watch and see. And I did that.
Where they go? Go and go get something.
I'm the 46 bus down west up.
No, nothing. I just the end part. When you're ready, you can go and night pool here.
Yes.
Alright. Me go over here so go chill out a little bit. Wait, look, I go lie down. Boy, a cup of 10. Yes, ja. Hey. Tell them to do one blended fruit punch for me. And after that, I need a pina colada. Tell the chef when you go up there, order it for him because I'm all inclusive, you know. Yeah, I'm all inclusive. So tell the chef if you look about one pasta, shrimp pasta for me. Me I wait for it. You can send me waiter come serve me. I don't want to wait to serve me right now. The waiter look like he's a nice guy. I can give him a tip when he come. Alright, now go and chill out. It look like cool breeze. How long you not live in the night, yeah? Sure.
The part 6. We are working on part 7 as we speak, you know, because we continue working, you know what I mean? We don't have no budget, but we still do it, you know what I mean? We don't get no help, but we still do it, you know what I mean? Because we the people have to do what we have to do, you know what I mean? Because this is Jamaica, the most talk about Caribbean place, you know what I mean? And some people feel away and I say, what? I will hear it on the something there. But I want the whole Caribbean to understand, say, I want Caribbean. You know what I mean? And I think that Jamaica suffer the most. You know what I mean? We're, I not say the most, because I don't know about everywhere. But we think so as black people, we have really suffered a lot. You know what I mean? And so we strive to do singular things. Anything we do singular, Jamaica work best in it. But we haven't learned to work in unity. You know what I mean? Maybe it's our competitive. Wait, we don't know the right word. We have to fix that up. I don't remember the word. But I know the word that I try to say, but in my mind. But you must understand, we love compete. Or competitiveness, no, competitiveness, or something like that. Some word like that. I'm not going to go for it. I don't want to tell myself. Yeah, man, that make we stay away, yeah. But if you check the thing that was singular, well, one, somebody have to do it, we shine on that. Big time. You understand? So, we are fighting a war. You know what I mean? Where movie world is concerned. Yeah, because it's like from grassroots, we are dealing with it now. You know what youth that Jamaica are superstars. We could be superstars in movie if they just get the chance. If they just get the chance. The world cry. And me know that. People know that. But it's a fight. So if one person from Jamaica should get a break into the international market of film industry, you go see it and people go say, what? Because we are suffering the most. I just said it a while ago. We are suffer wicked, yeah. And we bless. That's our next thing. We know about that. Because a lot of prayer I've prayed from our grandparents. We not talk about the church. I talk about grandparents individually. We pray. Because Jamaica full of so much church, it should never be so vile. So I now go for the church. Because a lot of things are going on when I see the church run out pan and then run out pan the right things them. So I now go for the church, I not say nothing about it. I just allow it over just by itself. But I say the grandparents and mothers and fathers pray for them child in the sufferation time. You understand what I mean? So that's what have brought this island success. Because the parents them pray for them pitney, grandparents pray for them grandson, granddaughter, everything. And look down for us and give us the strength. You know what I mean? So I will pray already, so I know say my space out there in the movie world. And Jammiwood and Richard Brown Films and PSS Films and the whole Maggie Films and the whole network, them have a space out there tonight. So we are fighting a carve out free local part out tonight, right? And give thanks to the support of you watching, you know what I mean? And you subscribing and telling a friend, because this is our thing that we have left here in Jamaica. We have nothing left here, right? None of us really have a portion of stuff where we can say, Ray, slavery have left black people here with nothing. Homeless, landless, everything you have to start from scratch and fight for. You understand? So that's what we're doing now. We're fighting for movie world. Because if this movie thing break out, me tell you say, millions of Jamaica will be benefiting big time. And I now go around and bash a next nation for what our people have done. Our people have fight we out of it. Right? So me can't blame no other race when I feel other people fight you and cut you out tight. You understand me I say? Your own people is fighting you and cutting you out. Cutting you out. And don't see the bigger picture. There's a bigger picture. Every other nation look out for them nation. Then they look out to other nation afterwards. We look out for other nation and never look out for we none at all. We don't exist in it. You know what I mean? And if you talk the truth, you have enough people out there ready to bash you. So I say I look at things grown with Asaf of Paul, everybody a bash him. But me stand with what he say. Because if I have a youth and him can run, remember say, everybody a run for money. And money him a go run for. End of the day and go come back and build Jamaica. They would like for you to stay here and you don't have nothing to contribute to what's going on. Only what them give you and what them limit you. So if my youth can run and our say them have millions to pay him, me I send him go get the millions them and them say member yard. Cause no people out here have it hard. So like me I tell. That me I tell you no. So me now look at me I proud when I see I run and them run and win the race them, yes. But if they run for our next country, when they're ignorant to the situation, I say, why? Don't you run for Jamaica and go sell out and this and that. But when it go down to the end part of it, and they have nothing to show, really, me no want them say, boy, this and that. You have regrets in at the end. You understand? So if you get a chance to run and make some money, you get the contract, you take it. Because everybody else will get the contract, they take it. Everybody will say them are the best in whatever they do. When they get the deal from overseas, look on the TV, me see them take a job. And everybody say, yes, he's the greatest, but he didn't take a job and gone. So my advice to Jamaicans, if you're the best in what you do when you get offer, take it. We go have a problem here if we are not looking out for each other well-being. So we have to go figure it out. It's a puzzle, but we have to figure it out. Because the island is being taken over, but it needs money. So I want to go to where we get some money can come. Yeah, man. So if we don't feel, so we have a show overseas and I want to put my pan so I can get, you know, get myself up and running, get to the actors them and to the actresses them and chop a thing. I could do it, man. Right? I could do it. Because we need to live up Jamaica. So if you're saying do it, we have to go elsewhere, go do it and come back home. Because no matter where you go, there's nowhere like home. And I love the world overall. I no buy into the situation of third world, first world, second world. I think it's one world. You know what I mean? As human being is the one that make the decision and do what they want to do. You know what I mean? But it's one world for me. You know what I mean? No other world. I'm not to fly all over the place yet neither. But my beliefs are one world. You know what I mean? Yeah man. And a God world. You know what I mean? And like Cartel say, God is the greatest. Right? Nobody can go around it. Anyway, let's go.
Tell you something, a hungry man. Hey. Let me tell you about a hungry man. Hey. Let me tell you about a hungry man. He's a angry man. In life I try to do the best I can. I say a hungry man is a angry man. In life I try to do the best I can. I get no help from the system. I follow them and turn up the victim. Again I work them 9 to 5 and barely coulda stay alive. My woman pack up and gone just as the baby born because of sufferation now. Sufferation. Yeah. I say a hungry man is an angry man. I hope you understand. When I touch the road, I got no plan. But I know when I'm going in, I got cash in my hand. I say a hungry man is an angry man. Making money, that's the plan. No ask my name, no ask where I come from. We're just hunting the food for now. The baby wants stroller. Yes, the youth want our prom. A hungry man is an angry man. Out here doing the best I can.
Over there, buddy.
I say a hungry man is an angry man. I hope somebody understand. What you know about hungry? What you know about hungry? What you know about hungry? All my days. All my days.
Where is tight from it? Now put it for your hand though.
Me take you off and put you in back.